Then this on to the gas safe certificate. So the first thing we're gonna check is if we got our smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm each flow got expired date. So this is expired in 35. We are in 2025, so 26, so we got 9 years more. And this one is finished 31, so still we have no problem. So we're gonna test them. Yeah. So first thing we're gonna check that, and second thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try if the boiler is working. So at the moment it's BIC boiler. It does work as I can see, but just to make sure before touching the boiler, I'm gonna just see if we got hot water. It's so important. Right here. Now, as you can see, the boiler is working as it should. So there is no problem with the boiler. So that's the first thing we need to check, is to see if the boiler is working. Then, as you know, the first thing is first. Safety is the first thing we need to know. So we're gonna check. The first thing we're gonna check if there is electric. So we're gonna check this, as you can see. So we're gonna test our device and then we're gonna check. So a lot of people, they get electric shock because they don't check if the boiler it's got any naked wire maybe connected to the boiler or anything, so they get electric shock first. So we need to make sure there is nothing, there is no electric shock, so I can touch the boiler now. Alright, so it's safe. So what we need to do now, I'm gonna just do my, so what I'm gonna do, the first thing I will do, I'm gonna do my flue gas analyzer, and then I'll do my working pressure, and I do my and then I do the tightness test, and then I'm gonna check the freight test, and then I'm gonna check the safety device for the boiler. And already I checked the smoke alarm each flow, and I checked the carbon monoxide alarm. So and then we're gonna see if there is only got one appliance or two appliances, because by law you have to do all appliances. So I've got one boiler, and I've got a cooker, and we got oven, which is, and then we got, so we have to check all of it. Then so first I'm gonna check this if it's, so I'm gonna check. So this is the first thing. Okay, so then we're gonna put in the simmer, and as you can see, it's all working properly. Then we're gonna turn it off one by one, that, and then listen to hear the knock. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. And then we're gonna check the top oven. Alright, this is not for that, let's see. So as you can see, I'm gonna check that. So we're gonna close it. As you can see, so when we put it down, it has to go to the 0. It's going down. When it's going down, we have to wait. Yeah, so you can see it's going down, then it's going down. We're gonna hear for the click. So you can see, yeah. So the pop out is looks alright. Same thing, we're gonna check. Down, waiting. Then you can see, yeah, that's alright. So I'm gonna go for bottom part. As you can see, the bottom one is working. We haven't got the top one, we got only bottom part. So then we're gonna check if it's, yeah, gonna close it. If it's going down, yeah. So the cooker is alright, we already checked it. Now we're gonna go for our boiler. So to carry on our job, we need to purge the flue gas analyzer. Then we have to find the window. So because there is no window, I'm gonna take it outside for purging. So that sterilizer is sterilizing what you see to report. Okay, we're gonna zero it first. We're gonna do the zeroing. When it's ready, we're gonna start doing it. Okay, the sensor is on. Now we're gonna go for the boiler. we do measurements. Alright. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna just strip it difficult. Yeah, just it's a little bit hard to access, so just there. Then we're gonna just measure it. So I'm gonna leave this in here for now. Don't create the amount. I know you guys see. So the way I do this is open the pool tap for hot water. If you do different way, what do I see? Just tell me in comment how do you do it. So I've done that. Now I'm gonna check my. So we got 0.08, which is 0.9, which is really good. None of that. 0.0001. So when I take it out, okay, and don't forget to put the cap in there, because that's gonna leave when the next person take that down. Okay, we got done the gas meter. Now find the gas meter afterwards. I'm doing the working pressure right now. So the way I do, first I'm gonna do working pressure, then after that I do the I check the safety device, then I do my tightness test. I find this way is faster. I already told the tenant there is can be a smell of gas, so they don't need to worry. So my working pressure at the meter is 20 point. Let me touch it properly there. Okay, so my working pressure is at the meter is 20.68. 6672. Okay, so as you can see, my working pressure is 20.0. Okay, alright, now I'm gonna check the safety device. So I'm gonna go have a look at the safety device. So I'm gonna have a look if the boiler give me a error code, which is PO32. So the boiler give me error code, so the safety device for inside the boiler is working. So first, so now is I'm gonna just do my temperature and stabilization is 28, and then I'm gonna check. We got the number in there, CBC in there, and it's stable. So what I'm gonna do, I do working pressure for the cooker. Now, to do working pressure for the cooker, we can have only 3 of them or in full. To do my working pressure for the cooker, so for me, I'm gonna avoid the boiler start working, so I turn off the gas for the boiler. So I'm gonna do my working pressure for cooker. So working pressure for the cooker is 22.25. Now what I'm gonna do, I am gonna do my my tightness test, 0 to 9. So that is more than 30. So I'm gonna just let go. So 9 to 10 for 1 minute. So I'm gonna come back for 1 minute. So we got nearly 1.1 minutes, and there is no drops at all. And this is which is a good sign for me. So I'm gonna get it for 2 minutes, and then just to make sure. Okay. Now I'm gonna go from 20 to 21 for that test. Okay, so now I'm gonna go for tightness test, which is 20 to 21. So we're gonna reach to 20 to 21. Okay, so 20.08. I'm gonna start for 2 minutes. One thing I have to check all the time is if this safety glass is working or not. So I'm gonna check it later on if after my tightness test is done. So it's nearly about 2 minutes and there is no drop. So it's okay. So happy, done, passed. So what we need to do now, we have to put this back again there. Because this is inside the room or outside, doesn't matter. All the time you need to use a leak detector to make sure it's not leaking. So just to cover your back, all the time use a leak detector. So as you can see, it's not leaking. This is okay. So another one done. So please, if you got any comment, if the way you do, if it's any way better than my way I do, just let me know in the comment, and then how you do your gas safety check. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, then I can do more video for you. Thank you. And one thing to add is to check the safety glass. So always you need to check it if it's cutting out, which is the, and you can see the click.